So they'll be here any minute. Who are they? What do they want to do? What experience are they going to bring? How am I going to help them feel free and create? So one of my students, her name is Kim. She was absolutely convinced. She said, "Don't expect much. It's going to be ugly." And I just clapped and said, "Oh, thank you so much, Kim, for coming today. You're just my person." And everybody looked at me weird, and she looked at me weird. And I said, "Kim, you're the exact reason I do this, because I promise you, you are going to be surprised. It won't be ugly, and it'll be all you." So as we carried on in class, Kim started developing her scene, and it became very apparent that there was no way it was going to be ugly. Kim's design was very feminine, very soft, a kind person. She had a strong Georgia accent and a big, wide Southern heart. I had the privilege of having Carol in the class. Hers was just a masterpiece in flower design. I just loved watching her. She was tickled doing her work. Barbara was in the class. By the time she finished her design, I said to her, "Barbara, are you a multitasker?" She said, "I really am a multitasker." I said, "It's so clear because you have completely taken up the space," which is really good in Mosaic, "and your design is fantastic." Martha, if you looked at her on the outside, you wouldn't identify her as hippie Martha. She was very silent. She needed silence. You know, there's a time when you're not supposed to help. And as a teacher, I catch on. It just might take me a little bit. Her design turned out fantastic. Her personality came shining through in her design. It's flowing through us all the time, and it's so fantastic to watch. Just have a last peek at these girls in the class today. They were amazing.